Once upon a time, in a small village nestled in the mountains, there lived a poor farmer named Abdullah. He worked tirelessly on his farm, from dawn till dusk, to provide for his family. Despite his hard work, the crops would often fail, and the family would struggle to make ends meet. Abdullah felt like he was stuck in a never-ending cycle of poverty and despair. One day, a wise old man from the village, known for his wisdom and kindness, approached Abdullah. The old man saw the despair in Abdullah's eyes and asked him, "My son, what's troubling you?" Abdullah shared his struggles and feelings of hopelessness. The old man listened attentively and then said, "Abdullah, I want you to try something. Every night, before you go to bed, write down 3 things you're grateful for. It could be something as simple as a good cup of tea or a beautiful sunset. Just 3 things." Abdullah was skeptical, but he decided to give it a try. The first night, he thought for a moment and wrote, "I'm grateful for my family's health. I'm grateful for the roof over my head. I'm grateful for the food on my table." The next day, Abdullah felt a slight shift in his perspective. He noticed the beauty of the mountains, the sound of the river flowing, and the laughter of his children. He wrote down 3 more things he was grateful for that night. Days turned into weeks, and weeks turned into months. Abdullah continued to write down 3 things he was grateful for each day. He started to notice the good things in his life, no matter how small. He felt more positive, more hopeful, and more at peace. But then disaster struck. A severe storm hit the village, destroying Abdullah's crops and leaving him with nothing. He felt like he was back to square one. However, he didn't give up. He continued to write down 3 things he was grateful for each day. I'm grateful for my family's safety. I'm grateful for the roof over my head. I'm grateful for the food my neighbor shared with us. The next day, a kind neighbor offered him food and shelter. Abdullah's farm slowly began to flourish again. He continued to focus on gratitude, and soon his life was transformed. He became known in the village as a symbol of hope and resilience. Years later, people would come to Abdullah for advice, and he would share the secret of gratitude. He would say, "When you focus on what you have, rather than what you don't have, your life will change. Gratitude is the key to happiness and peace."